quiet.
Yeah, all tech is dead. Look at all this scary shit.
You think Kirilenko's on that plane?
Maybe. We gotta stop it either way.
Over here! What's the plan? Rocket!
There's more of them! Move out! Moving to cover! Okay, here we go. See that time?
Get down!
Who's dead here? You got him!
All right, we're never all gonna get in there with all that coverage. We'll suppress them. You move up, we'll follow. ASAP. Find some cover!
Вижу противника! Укрытие! Прикройте! Меняй магазин! Не дайте им поднять головы!
Right there!
Стойте, проверь! Это ты!
So how you doing? You look good. That's real funny, Marlowe. If we don't die out here, I'm fixing on skinning you like a deer.
Hey, the plane's moving! Look at the size of that thing!
That's an AN-225. Mira means dream. It's an enlarged version of the AN-124. Biggest ever built, can carry 253 tons of equipment. What? I can know stuff.
Shouldn't the weapon have killed the plane too? Yeah. Seems like Ground Zero is safe with scalar weapons, but outside it...
Well, anyway, I don't think we can knock that thing down. So who wants to hijack a plane? The plane's leaving!
We'd better fucking move! Down there!
Follow me! Come on! Go, go, go!
The plane's moving out! It's pulling away!
Yeah,
Move!
run for it! Haul ass!
Quick!
It was a long night. Waiting, planning. But that thing about always darkest before the dawn? Sometimes you just need to turn on a light.